Okay, so the next section is unique to the Dodge Caravan. Dodge Caravans have the ability to remount the spare tires, where currently that is not an option with the Toyota. So if you select spare tire, which says Dodge only, um, these are your different available options. And of course, if you add those in, it'll increase the price just like normal. Um, the next one we'll look at is electrical. There are electrical options that are unique to Dodge and electrical options that are unique to Toyota. So again, depending on what your selection is up top, will dictate whether or not you get Dodge options or not. So if you click backup sensors, let's say, or your radio, those obviously would increase your price just like normal. If you were to scroll up to the top and again change it from Dodge Caravan to Toyota Sienna, and then go down to the bottom, you'll see Toyota Siennas have different types of electrical options available. So you would click 800, it increases your price up by 800. So that covers your two electrical and spare tire options. The last one I'll show you in this section is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous gives you lots of different options here. These are stuff that are relatively non-standard, so emergency kits or wheelchair holders, those would increase your price. And then just like we showed you in the ambulance version, you have your custom vehicle wrap where you can select the vehicle wrap manufacturer and then type in $3,000 for the cost of the wrap, and that increases your total price. The only other option on here that we haven't gone over is non-stock, but I taught you that in the ambulance version, and now that is an option available to everyone to add non-stock parts to Dodge or Toyota rear entries if needed.